In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music problem, whether it's a story, a reel, a post, it doesn't matter. We're going over all of it here in this video. Intro. Now, if you're trying to add music, but certain artists or songs are missing, it usually has to do with your account type. So open up Instagram and start by just creating a story, a reel, a post. It doesn't really matter. Let's just go ahead and say we're doing a story real quick with, I guess, let's do this image right here, right? Select it, hit the music icon, right? And if you're not seeing all of your stuff on here, that usually means that you're either on a professional account or a business account. Also, make sure you're not using a VPN as well. Now, to fix this, what you need to do is back out. And of course, you need to back all the way out to your profile. Select the three lines up in the top right. From here, you need to go ahead and select account type and tools. So scroll down a little bit, you'll see account type and tools. Open that up, select your account up at the very top, and then hit switch account type and go to a personal account. As soon as you do that, you're good to go, but you will lose out on all of the professional account benefits that you would usually have with that account type. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.